I know my family loves spending time in the kitchen. It's really the heart of the home, and this one is gorgeous here at the Home Show Expo. This is in the kitchen of a home built by the Kimberly Development Corporation. They have great appliances in here too. And for that, we are going to talk to Steve Archer with Factory Direct Appliance. Hello.
Hi, Megan.
I bet you guys are getting excited for the Home Show Expo.
We definitely are.
And you'll want to show off a lot of these great appliances. What's on trend right now? What's really popular in homes?
One thing, and it's in this home, is the induction cooktop.
What makes an induction cooktop so special?
So an induction cooktop actually heats the pan itself using strong magnetic induction, and so it's more efficient. You don't have any loss of heat. It's easier to clean up because the cooktop doesn't get as hot, so it doesn't burn things on.
And I love how this one is situated with this little window to look outside while you're
Beautiful.
cooking.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Lots of natural light coming in.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. What else will we see in here?
Well, the dishwasher's kind of unique. You should check that out.
I actually don't see it though.
Oh, it's right here.
Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. So it's hidden with the panel. Is that really popular?
It is, yeah. Panel-ready appliances are featured in the dishwasher in this kitchen, the refrigerator. We'll probably talk about that a little later.
Yeah, I love how this has like 2 levels too.
It does. It has a large drawer and a small drawer. A lot of people put these in and they'll actually just store some of their dishes in there. They'll go ahead and wash them, and when they're ready to, clean and they're ready to use them again, they'll just take them out and use them.
Oh, awesome. Okay, well this refrigerator, as you mentioned, it's hidden by the panels too.
Yeah.
This looks fancy.
Yeah, this is a column refrigerator. You'll see a lot of these in the home show houses. It's a new thing because it's very space efficient. It fits in and blends in with all the cabinetry, but still gives you a lot of usable space.
Looks very clean too, unlike my refrigerator at home right now. Okay, my kids love to use the microwave to cook. I don't see that here. Are microwaves out of style?
Well, it's also kind of hidden too. It's actually in the pantry.
Oh, let's take a look.
Yeah, your kids are gonna love this.
I love this nook. This is amazing, so cute. I love how it's decorated too.
Yeah, and it gets the everyday appliance out of the way, so if it gets dirty, you don't have to worry about it.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so this is the microwave?
Yeah, a drawer microwave. So it has a control panel. The drawer opens, so your kids can put things in and out of it easy. It's also easy for you because you don't have to crouch down and look at the controls.
Oh, I love that. And so you can even just make popcorn or reheat something.
Yep, and those are sensor buttons, so
even
it'll
have
sense
to
when
press
it's done and shut it off on its own.
Oh, neat. And I love that this actually looks like a drawer. This is really cool.
Yeah, very popular.
Neat. Now, why did these become so popular in recent years in
really,
homes?
Yeah, for ergonomics, everybody's putting them under the counter. This way you don't have to bend down, like I said, to touch the controls.
Okay, so just press start to get it to close?
Yeah, we just push the open and close button.
Oh,
Yep.
open and close, very easy. All these appliances look so great in this kitchen. It's interesting, you can't even see most of them.
I'm sure they look great on camera, but in person, it's amazing. So make sure you come out and check out the home show.
So we can see this in many of the homes here at the Home Show Expo?
Yep, we've got a lot of these kind of appliances in a lot of the other homes.
This would be great for people to ask questions too if they have any when they see them.
Definitely, yeah. The representatives from our company will be around to answer questions in some of the houses during the week.
Well, I am amazed. I always love seeing kitchens, especially, and all these appliances and the trends. And it seems like the trend is actually to not see them, to have them tucked away. So this has been really cool.
It's a lot of fun to design and do this stuff too. So
we have so much more to see to help you dream big. Stay with us. We're going to check out another home at the Home Show Expo. The Home Builders Association of Greater Des Moines presents the 2022 Home Show Expo for 3 weekends in July. Visit dsmhba.com for all the details.